My name is SifooTime. I am a Microsoft Office trainer and I am one of the MCT. I have more than 18 years of experience as a freelancer, traveling all over Malaysia to provide my service to the community. I conducted classes, seminars, and even talks for governments and also private sectors. I went to hundreds of companies and trained thousands of staff from all levels over the years. To me, teaching or training is not about patience, but it's more about passion. Passion to share, to solve, and to help people in handling their daily work. Putting a smile to their faces, manage works or reports that took hours or even days to settle, but now it can be solved within minutes, or for some, even seconds. Microsoft Word, Excel, or even PowerPoint are not just softwares that can be taken lightly. Let me show you the tips, the tricks, the right features, and the right way to use them to escalate your true potential as a skillful asset to the organization. Be part of my statistics of success stories. Experience the methods, the techniques that you will enjoy and remember for many years to come. How, you may ask? Simple. Be one of my participants. You can follow me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, Facebook, or even Instagram. Or you can even call or text by using this phone number.